Watch one ad and earn $6. Imagine if you could make money for every ad that popped up on your screen while you're watching videos. Instead of getting annoyed and waiting for that skip ad button, how about you just get paid a fee instead? Wouldn't that be nice? Well, there's a secret little method going around that no one is revealing that could get you paid every time you watched an ad. The cool part is that you could do this from home and from anywhere in the world. It's completely free and legit, and it takes as little as 30 seconds of your time. Oh, and did I mention it's also something you could do as a complete beginner? Now, take a look at this right over here. Now, the 3 steps to earning $6 for every ad that you watch are: Step 1, revealing the top platform that will pay you to watch ads. Step 2, showing you how to automate the work so you can earn from other people watching those ads. Step 3, unveiling how to earn $40,000 per month passively on complete autopilot as a bonus towards the end. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, if we go over to the site, you can see they have many different cash out options. They have crypto, RTM, Amazon gift cards, and other different ways as well, such as PayPal, Skrill, or directly to your bank account. If you prefer doing that, all you have to do is click the withdraw button and boom, the money is transferred to you ASAP. Now, this site is called GetPaidTO.com. Get Paid To Now. Get Paid To has different ways of earning money online, but one of them is simply watching ads. Now, this site is called GetPaidTO.com. Get Paid To Now. Get Paid To has different ways of earning money online, but one of them is simply watching ads. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with that on this site because there are many different ways, but I don't want you to get confused and I don't want you to spend too much time doing this. So what you're going to do is you're going to join free today, okay? You're going to join free, set up your account, and then it's going to take you to the members dashboard. As you can see right here, there's lots of different stuff right here. I don't want you to get carried away. Obviously, you could start earning points right away. 20,000, 400 and 30,000 points here, 2,000 points here. And on the right here, there are many people cashing out as we speak. But there's a special area on this site that's going to get you paid to watch ads, and it's going to get you paid the most amount of money. So what we're going to do is we are going to actually go on to earn points, and then we're going to go to featured offers, okay? Featured offers, that's going to take you to this page right here. Now there are lots of different sites that have these offers where you can basically click a button, start watching a quick ad, and the points land in your account that you can then transfer into money. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on a specific site. We're not going to click on AdGate, we're not going to click on OfferToro. We're actually going to click on Wanna Ads, okay? Wanna Ads. And Wanna Ads is a place where it's going to show you right here where we could earn the most points. So simply pressing these buttons, an ad will pop up and then we earn those points into our account. There are many different ads. And you could literally just scroll down, start doing all of these and stacking up your points. This will literally take you maybe 10 to 30 minutes. It doesn't matter however much time you want to dedicate to it. If you have an extra time on the weekend and you just want to spend a couple of hours stacking your points, you could do this via Wanna Ads. I would say the next best place to go would be OfferToro, okay? And then what I would do is start automating this process. So let me show you how you could get paid by other people actually clicking these buttons, watching the ads, and then you receive a portion of their payment. So if we go back to the dashboard, the members dashboard right here, when you press home, you're going to scroll down and you can see that there is a referral program. So it says refer now earn extra points in our generous referral program. So what you're going to do is we're going to press this, it's going to take us here, and then it says refer and get paid. Invite your friends and tell them how easy it is to earn. Earn 15% on any points your referral earns. So if someone earns $100, you're going to get $15 of that. If someone earns $1,000, you're going to earn $150. And if someone earns $10,000 over a good period of time, you're going to earn $1,500 of that money simply doing nothing but referring them to the platform. So I'm going to show you how to get 10,000 referrals in the next 30 days. But I'm going to show you exactly how to get 100 referrals today on 2 special sites. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy this. And then you're going to come on over to a specific Facebook group. So what we're going to type in is Make Money Online in the search bar on Facebook. You're going to click Groups, Public Groups, ones that actually let you join without having to request. And then you're going to see many Make Money Online groups. And what's cool about some of these groups is they allow you to post your referral link. So the one that I went to most recently, that's doing the best, is this one right here. Make Money Online and Work From Home has 111,000 members that want to click your referral link. So we're going to go in here, press join, and that's going to take us to the group. And as you can see, there are many people posting their link. Now this guy didn't do as good of a job posting his link because he just posted it right there. You're not going to do that. Obviously, he doesn't have any engagement. Now this person did a decent job. Now what they did is included a screenshot of their member dashboard. Would do that, and then I would say type info if you want me to send you details. And as you can see, they got 63 comments, people typing, interested, I'm interested, right? Lots of likes and 4 shares, and they just posted 2 days ago. So 111,000 people saw this post. A lot of them probably clicked, and then a lot of them, also 63 of them, commented for further details. So that's what you're going to do. That is an easy way to get like 100 referrals today, is doing that and then going into all the other groups. This is the best group. Now there's an even better way that will get you maybe even 1,000 referrals. So we're going to get our referral link. Come on over here to the second site, which is called ClassifiedAds.com. Now this site allows us to post an ad for free. So what we're going to do is post an ad for free, okay? And these are like job ads. Like people come here to search for jobs. They come here to search for different things. And what you can do is post a classified ad, create your free ad. You could press jobs as the category and then business opportunities. So there is a specific section where people are actually coming on this site and searching for different business opportunities. And we're going to put the ad title as Work From Home, Earn Up To. You could say like earn up to $500 per day. Obviously if they put in like 8 hours of work. And then for asking price, you could say $500. And then in the description, you will then say message me for more details. Work from home opportunity. Okay. And then you're going to post your link here for them to click, okay? And they could click that link, also message you, so you could follow up with them to make sure that they know how to use the site and stuff. And you're going to paste your referral link there, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back, grab my referral link, right? We're going to paste that. Let me just click to copy. We're going to go here, paste that link, and then boom. You have your Get Paid to Classified ad. So then you're going to press post this ad and boom. Now you have an ad on a site that's getting thousands upon thousands of views.